With all the gadgets and screens around us, finding that balance is crucial for our kids' well-being. Welcome back to my channel and let's get started. Be a role model. You know how kids are like little sponges, right? They pick up things from us, especially what we do. If we are constantly glued to screen, they are going to think that it's the usual. So it's important for us to show them that there's a whole world of other fun stuffs too. If they see us reading books, doing puzzles, or spending times outdoor, they'll be more likely to do the same and naturally reduce their screen time. So, show kids by example. If we spend less time on screens, they'll follow. So, let's do some fun stuffs together that does not involve screens. Have screen-free zones. Ever had those family meals where everyone are staring at their devices? Yeah, I have been there too. That's why I suggest creating a specific zones in our house where screens are just not invited, like at the dining table or on the bedrooms. This encourages or actually talk to each other during meals or wind up before bed with a good old-fashioned book. Certain places like the dinner table or the bedrooms are off limits for screens. That way we can focus on talking and relaxing without screens distracting us. You know how kids thrive on structure? So setting clear rules about screen time is giving them a roadmap. We can sit down together and decide how much time they can spend on screens each day. Maybe after they finish their homework. This way they will learn to manage their time and responsibilities. So decide how much screen time is okay and stick to it. This helps to balance screen time with other things they like to do. Make a screen time schedule. Life can get busy, right? But having a schedule for screen time helps balance things out. We can plan when they can use screen and when they can't. It's like having a designated playtime. So they won't end up spending hours and hours just staring at screens because we have got other cool stuffs planned too. So when they can use screens and when they can't, this way your kids won't spend too much time on screens and also can enjoy other activities too. Enjoy outdoor fun. Remember when we used to play outside for hours? Our kids can have that too. Encouraging them to go out and play can give them a taste of outdoor adventures. It's a break from screens and a chance to make new friends. So playing outside is awesome, to go to park or play with friends. It's healthy and way more fun than staring at screens. Explore exciting hobbies. You know what's awesome? Hobbies. We can help our kids to discover things that they are passionate about, painting, playing an instrument, or building stuff. These hobbies are so observing that they will naturally want to spend time doing them instead of staring at screens. So find hobbies they love. These hobbies are super cool and keeps them busy without needing screens. Choose screen activities wisely. Not all screen time is created equal. Instead of just scrolling down through social media, we can encourage our kids to use screens for learning or creating. There are tons of educational apps and games out there that can keep them engaged and teach them new things. The next tip would be no screens before bed. You have probably heard that screens mess with sleep, right? The blue light they emit can disrupt our sleep patterns. So let's create a tech-free zone at least an hour before the bedtime. We can read a book together, talk about our day, or practice relaxation techniques. This helps them wind down and get better sleep. Screens before bed can be very hard to sleep, so let's take a break from screens before bedtime. Bond with family activities. Family time is precious. We can plan activities that don't involve screens like board games, cooking together, or going for a walk. These moments strengthens our relationships and create memories that last a lifetime. So doing things together is awesome. It's a great way to have fun and make memories. Talk about balance. Having a heart-to-heart conversation with our kids why balance is important can be really impactful. We can explain that screens are cool, but too much of them is not healthy. By discussing this openly, we help them understand why it's important to have a mix of screen time and other activities. So, too much screen time can affect our health and social skills. Balance is key. Remember, these tips are about finding healthy balance that works for your family's lifestyle. It's not about completely eliminating screens, but rather making mindful choices that support our child's holistic development. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I would love to hear how you are managing screen time in your family. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on parenting. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.